Don't get cocky. I am not going to break an arm. Focus. Focus. Woohoo! No, man. I cannot stop fast. Whoa. Okay, this is going to be freaking ice later on tonight. But anyways, okay, back to the year. Last time I did one of these bike videos was for Chaz, and I noticed I have two of them for him. I need to ask him if he's seen both. Oh, at least we just love it out here. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Try and get up here. Oops. Coming up behind you.
You got smoke tires on that?
Yeah, they sort of work. It's so beautiful out here. Oh my gosh.
It's pretty, but it can go away now.
Yeah. But enjoy the walk.
You have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Uh-oh. That person is turning around. Middle of freaking nowhere. Wait. You can go on. Oof. Okay. There's two big hills. So that person decided not to go down here. I'm gonna have to walk it up. Oh. 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 The heck is that? There's the car stuck. Oh man, my fingers are hurting. What the heck? Well, this will... Alright, so... what do I know? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Well... Oy. I shouldn't have done that. Come on. Oh. Fuck. Oh. Really? Okay, that cup of coffee when I get home, it's gonna be the best coffee I've ever had. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. There you go. Over here. Okay. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. Focus. Oh, fuck. Sugars. Sugars, sugars, sugars. Fuck. Oh, stop. Truck. Oh, really? It's not a single car.